What's the meaning of creative? Creative. Creative.
Creative. Creative. Creative is a term used to describe the ability to produce something new or innovative. It involves thinking outside the box, generating fresh ideas, and turning them into reality. The outcome of creativity can take many forms, including art, music, literature, design, technology, and more. It can inspire emotions, spark interest, and challenge the status quo. Creative minds have the ability to reimagine possibilities and bring something new to the world, making a lasting impact on society and culture.